Check it out. We got a FedEx box. What can it be? Oh, it's so exciting. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. So we have a new FedEx box here today. We're doing an unboxing, and you probably already know based on the title of the video. This is the brand new IrisVision. The newest hardware, new features, a lot of cool new features. Today we're just going to be doing the unboxing. A lot of cool new stuff. I got to test it out at ATIA this year. I'm excited for you guys to learn about it as well. But with that being said, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes in the packaging. We have the IrisVision user guide. And this is one thing I remember from a previous unboxing is their user guide has nice large print and very large high contrast pictures. That's really good. Here's another manual, how to get the most out of your IrisVision. And this is also large print. Some other just information bundles. Looks like maybe a warranty card. And here is the IrisVision in a nice new box. Really cool. Flap opens just like this. Oh, we're greeted with a big yellow piece of paper that says setup right across the top. It says to get started, please call to schedule training, and gives their phone number. So I see that's important. They want you to do that right away. Get training so you know how to use it. And then here is the case for the IrisVision. Nothing else in the box, so we'll set that aside. And this is the same kind of case that we got last time. Black hard canvas case with a strap here, a little handle, and the strap does say IrisVision on it. Go ahead and unzip this and open her up. And there we go, there's the IrisVision all bundled up in bubble wrap, keeping it nice and safe. And that is it for in the case. The case does have a little zippered pouch here at the top. Not zippered, excuse me, Velcro pouch at the top, little mesh bag you can store stuff in. There's also a little Velcro strap that was holding the IrisVision in there nice and securely. Oh, we've got a neck strap now. That's pretty cool. And here are all of our accessories. So we have a pair of headphones here, earbuds. Okay, in this other bag we have a charging cable and a charging brick. I'm not even sure what kind of connection that is. That's not USB. It's USB on one side, and I'm not sure what the other one is. Okay, we'll have to investigate that later. All right, in this other bag we have the wireless charging adapter along with a USB cable and wall plug. Also, this is a micro USB cable. So this is for the wireless charging. This device does support wireless charging, makes it super easy to charge your IrisVision. If you want to know more about how to charge your IrisVision, check out the video I made popping out on the screen right now. I'll also have a link in the description. I walk you through all the different steps for charging your IrisVision. There's also a micro USB to Type-C USB adapter. Alright, let's take a look at the IrisVision. So this is nice. New addition to this is a neck strap with the IrisVision branding on it. Really cool. Oh, nice and soft. Kind of that neoprene material that like scuba suits are made out of. Nice. Still have the head strap. Now, one thing to note about this, and I will double check this, I am pretty sure that this is the brand new hardware. This is using the Samsung Galaxy S8 a smartphone along with the Galaxy S8's Gear VR headset. You notice they have a new cover here to the phone. Of course, it would help if I held it the right way. Sorry, now we're looking at it the right way. Sorry about that. So Really nice design. Let's see if it'll pop out. Yes, it will. So yes, indeed, this is a Galaxy S8 phone. In fact, I too have the S8, and it is the same. So really cool. New hardware means better performance, better camera, faster processing, all of that. I believe the lenses in the goggles are even larger now as well. So a larger field of view. I really like the look of this new design with the faceplate there on the front. I think that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the controls over here. They've done a better job at marking the controls than the old version. These are definitely higher contrast and a little bit easier to see. That was one thing I wasn't crazy about on the old version, is it was really hard to see the little, they had little colored arrows pointing to the important buttons. And we don't have that anymore. Oh, here's that connection. Wow, yeah, I'm interested to learn what this does. I've already got my training session scheduled for Friday. I'm excited to explore all the new hardware. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Big thank you to IrisVision for sending this out to me to make these videos for you guys. If you like what you see, you want to see more, definitely hit the thumbs up. Give me a like on the video. That lets me know that you like the content and you want to see more. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all the videos I put out in the future. If you have any comments about this video or any of my videos, leave me a comment down below. I'll do my best to help out. As always guys, thank you very much for watching Sam with the Blind Life. We'll see you next time.